I'd have had to
She
take.
don't want her. I know what you're talking about. It's the inner
She
circle.
said she's the front runner, and let's check this out. Well, I have some problems, mostly things that you guys know. I wouldn't want to say in front of the lady.
Yeah.
I like women.
We all like women. Yeah.
Right on.
You're not so bad.
Oh shit! Power to that.
They're all good looking.
Thank you very much.
You know, I used to be good looking when I was younger, and you know what they said to me? Mr. Hickey, you're pretty old. I said, yeah, I'm old enough to know the truth.
So I have a question. For instance, if you don't win, will you still be out here representing people?
Absolutely.
Oh, 13%.
Okay.
What do you think? I'm gonna lay down and die over this fucking shit? The people of San Joaquin County need a Hey, here's the story.
I hope.
Can I give you the bottom line, sir?
Yeah, give me the
And
bottom
here's
line.
the bottom line. My opponent's brother is a sergeant in the police department. Her dad was an alcoholic cop who's dead. And my dad was a contractor who built houses. Both my older brothers were contractors who built houses. So I grew up with a hammer in my hand. I went to school, and I went to San Jose State, although I turned down Berkeley. But I went on a scholarship to Los Angeles to Pepperdine University, and I graduated 32nd out of 236 kids. I passed the bar exam the first time, and the man that handed me my diploma wrote a case called Roe versus Wade. It said women have the right to an abortion. He's the Supreme Court Justice, Harry Blackman. Well, now, you guys don't repeat this and don't record it, but I paid for 5 abortions, and I'm pretty sure I was guilty. And I don't need Maury Povich to tell me, Mr. Hickey, you are the father. No, I'm not proud of it, because on Sunday, I was at St. Anne's, and I'm Episcopalian, not Catholic. Tomorrow morning, I will be the Seventh-day Adventist Church, because both my brother-in-laws, they aren't anymore because my wife's deceased, are Seventh-day Adventist ministers. My older brother-in-law, who's younger than me, has got the largest Seventh-day Adventist church in Los Angeles. Well, I had to get him out of jail in India, and that took some doing, but I had to get my cousin, I was the best man at his wedding, out of jail in Mexico. We went down to Acapulco in '86, and he decided to go out and party with a taxi cab driver. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean that.
Oh no, he's draining my cap.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's
That's
all
thoughtless, sir.
No, that's perfect.
You can ask the DA over here, Vanetta Lee. Asian. You know, I got yellow fever for 10 years. I fucked every Asian I could get my hands on. You're not recording this, are you?
No.
It'll ruin me.
No.
They say I'm a woman.
Look, that's what I'm hoping. I'm a womanizer too. I hope you win, because if you do, we'll get a straight DA.
It's fucking time.
Yeah.
Instead of this chicken shit bullshit. I told him if when I get elected, there's 2 doors to the DA's office. I said, I want 4 doors, and I don't want the fucking doors on the opening. You got a grievance, come in and talk to me, and I may not agree with you, but I'm going to do the right thing.
Yeah, Willett won't even fucking open the
You know
door.
what his nickname is? Wimp Willett. I'm sorry, John.
No, that's good.
And if you guys say what I said and you've got it recorded and release it, you're going to cost me votes.
No, we're not going to do that.
Now, Willett was a coward, and here's what he said when me and, you guys know Ralph Sincon, any Sincons or Raffles, any of those people?
Yeah.
And he said to me, he said, this is a fact, Gary, and you know it. They integrated the office. You know what? They put me in an office with a bro. Well, he's half black, and he's half Filipino, but he's a hell of a good lawyer.
Sincon?
Sincon.
Yeah.
Sincon is actually Filipino, but his mother is a black woman from Chicago. They came here in the 40s. He went to Vietnam. I didn't go. You know where I went? I was a 25-year-old attorney because my dad told me, he said, fuck Vietnam, it's a waste of time. He was right. We lost.
Yeah.
You could call it whatever fuck you want to call it, but we lost. Now in Korea, my uncle, he held. And so did all the other men that fought in Korea. Now, if I were president of the United States, I would say after we put out the fires in Kuwait and kept the oil safe and the gas,